In this video, we are going to learn how to recover your password of DeepSeek account. First, open up your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now after that, click on the search bar and type in DeepSeek. Now click on this option which says Start Now. Now you'll see this page where you can see this Forgot Password option here. Click on it. Now type in your email address. Now click on this send code option and you will receive a code on your Gmail account. Simply copy that code and paste that code here on this field. After that, click on this continue option and you will be able to reset your new password. Following the simple and easy step, you have successfully recovered your password in DeepSeek account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.